For side for Baba 1 and 10 o'clock for side where they call am. Now for Malam 10 o'clock it don't reach for side for Dibunchua. We go talk now. Time when you rush it down. Me you know say this so you did watch now NJANGI House. They're on the program for inside Cameroon for now. Where all man it run for go see am. We salute those people from where town and with the great all man where in the other side for Congo where they don't now for squares for watch the program. For life they talk say so friend them they different kind. Friend where you fight friend with you because say na clean man a day. Friend where you catch a combi with person with a till man a day. Friend for member a day. Friend for fellow woman a day. Inside this friend them now which friend be find one. Now when I get for check sense for know the kind of friend where you get them because for now me I see my answer this so friend a person where you know if you keep secret. But for Cameroon now confident not for person because when you sick you go for hospital. As they make you test. Before you want to read for compound or for your quarter, all man for quarter don't really know the kind of sick way they for your skin. That means a confident know they too for doctor. You know for inside NJANGI house, now you the chop NJANGI, where no man for quarter no know, even your woman no know. You want to reach for house, woman not show na hand. Also money for chop picking for chop for picking them. Not be talk come over chop NJANGI. That means say for Cameroon, confident in order for no person again. We started the palace for Baba 1, where they don't she don't now all title holder them and even the fund where Namakombi he don't she don't now for see wait to man it will bring them today. Till when we go send them for offsite. Someone them nothing the way it don't happen for inside week, someone them that the one we don't happen. Only for this morning time. May we enter the phone number. All over Matango where they don't catch them for inside Yaounde and where Yaounde na play where you get for show. Example. Then we meet up for inside Yaounde 7. Where they don't catch Matango for inside house. And they also with corn flour. They did not come again with flour. Where they take a milk puff. When they mix them one time, and then they put sugar inside, it change the color. People then begin to drink, and then someone they die, someone they is sick, and someone they for hospital. Gendarmerie Nationale, it become out cutter, and then it go catch them for inside Corbison. We go enter this one again, the one way see people that when catch some Chinese man outside from Makia. I think Chinese man want come one time for go buy kako. He no know say they so enemy then they for corner and when a young boy them. Now anyway they come one time for seize the money, he catch one person, he na sleep for down and then the others then take money and then they vamos. We don't see them again. Now we go for Jingan village. Now for that side for Konjok, Jingan village. They say me then come go from Jingan village. Because trouble it did. Hospital where Cameroon government don't be done for head of the population for Jingan village for Konjok inside income. Last hospital don't make more than 10 years. It don't last rotting and then collapse. Meanwhile, another village they will not get even clinic. Why they go put on that side? Now question that where we answer. Sense to read for sham morning time. He talk for waiting. Sense to read for sham morning time. He tell we say, pursue where he remember tomorrow. He not fit chop. Arata we dey with belle. Pursue where he remember tomorrow. He not the chop. Arata with he dey with belle. Person we turn up we na Prince Lambert Kiven where he is down for Monte Chapelle Obele for inside Yaounde. Woman wey support am, they come and say Ma Chantal. Ma Chantal is support am for side for Kribi. For place where they come and say Carrefour King. Yes, herself, he don't show up for front the television. He dey watch the program. He tell me say for inside Isha club. People them flop for the sote and now so they flop every day. So now he support am for side for Carrefour King for Kribi. François could not win, then we want come back. We could enter for inside. Wait, we will carry him for inside Molunga. We will come back. So connection in the Hamburg for inside Cameroon and for Africa. Minister where you yourself, he be in charge of the connection. He be blow talk for your own way. And he never satisfy the population for Cameroon because without internet, people they not feel work. Like now, when I not go follow we today for Facebook because of the problem for internet. So we be sorry for that one, but after the program, before 12 midday, when I must get the program for we channel, YouTube, a channel we, the name NJANGI House. Chapter 1 na Palava Matango. Alias White Stuff. When they cut up inside Yaounde, quarter where they call say Colbison. Ha! Our state gendarmerie national will cancel. They work together. They say council know all quarter and all has them for inside Cameroon. Council worker don't call one time, open the gate, save the internet here where that mean go they come out. Where they go for play where they come and say, where they go for market? Marché Mokolo. When you meet up any man, my belly, doctor, you get medicine for belly. Where the matango, we don't drink up. I seen a matango, and when the matango, they come on for bush, it come on inside this compound. When I say, now inside this compound, where come on, Gendarmerie Nationale. When I see all these gardens, they were the use of commission. The detective will come and say Calabar, Grand Nam, a canton, they say na dos. They take fufu corn, they take corn, Grand Nam, a ton corn flour, and then they mix them. Wait for no, put sugar inside, and then the detective will come and say farine. What I will call and say farine, some people they don't understand. Now they talk now flour where they take and for make pop. They mix them. For inside this big gallon, then transfer for 30 liters, 20 liters, 50 liters, then take and go with them for marché Mokolo. Come with them for marché Itodi. Go with them for Mesasi, now they will drink and plenty. So, as people don't over complain, Bele, commandant say me we enter for inside Don Quarter, and they enter, they succeed for catch them. Now, to this, where they get to one close, where they show say this, so sometime, na uniform for take am say matango manono. So they explain how they use them for take sell. For Cameroon we go see all thing. For Cameroon we go see all thing. That means that you want your money, move the money again, take and go buy sick. After you go sleep for hospital, see move again another money, pay hospital bill. Now in this way they don't call it for Don Quarter. Say come, they think they pass the how. They explain them. Jardam to the explain the way it don't hear. State council, they don't also come for fee because sometimes we catch them, give them when they go leave them again. Say this time around we could come for inside calcium. Yes, state council, now this. Now them that. Also some people and they then say they don't disappear. And they go appear back. Maybe internet inside the company in the proper. Company in the proper. When I go see na flour, When I go see now sugar, and when I say when I go see again, thing where they call say Calabar, where they don't mix them, grind them, mix them with the sugar, put water, and then they drink them. Now sugar that. When they buy now box, let me say they go cut 1 cup. No, they buy now box, come and dance na here. Now that, now come fly that. This one, now Calabar where they don't grind them. After when I go see fufu corn, yes, they could mix up with the sugar. Mix them. Now this molonga they take a mixer inside. When you don't done now so you come out, they catch fly, send it inside. For 4 both people and say they so now find one. Because you will find fly, you get for follow up. So when they make us so they load them inside motor, go with them for moko, go with them for marché etodi. Mesasi, when son you don't knock, buy them, sell them in the proper, then you can take back up. Chop, put 50 for them. Take another one, chop, put 50 for them. They don't know say they don't take money for bicycle. Huh? Now one of the woman that way they sell. They don't talk say drink and me with Siam. He said no, now find matango no. How when I talk say I will one? Smile. Oh baby. Yes, he don't smile at me say for years. He say this so fine. Me we don't have a side for the world to go meet up gang for T people. I said young boy them for Makia. What I want to say Makia? When you come on Makia, you come this side. Where you go for douche, you go pass Marché Congo before you go reach for douche municipal. Now these bodies, where are 30? He don't meet up. She no man where one come out inside motor with money. He come one time. Now in that, he don't see them. She no man as if he don't make karate, he catch him. He that is live for down. As he knows so na Makia, dumb people that go come over down quarter and they could release it for your hand. Now anyway, don't put. You come with the can't carry. They go with them. They can't carry the money. Vamos with them. Chinese man say, I will die me na you. Chinese man say, I will die me na you. When I see him, so last now, he don't survive for that Chinese man in hand and then carry all money for go chop with the ashao. One time, they forget for no say camera in the follow. They forget for no say camera in the follow. One time, camera don't catch him. Now anyway, don't go enter for Jamie. Now Chinese man this. When they don't drive for down, so they get taken cut for a day. Now those that for Jamie. Now time this way they for Jamie. Now commandant Christian Awal. Where now where they born for Lassen Market for up that side from Call Park. Yes, now for the way they Bonnie and a small brother for Nda. Yes, Nda Popov. So he don't go Kankan school last can be commandant for anti-gang for Jamie for Bonanjo. So now he don't do, he work with all his yes, so they talk to this so any people where the thief or any person where the thief me no say this so when they photo they go enter for the office, they must catch you. Me we talk now palava, live and contraband. Yes. We could talk now palava bet box. Some kind of fly they don't enter for Cameroon. It will start for Yaounde. Now it is inside Douala. So this news it go plenty for those where they should for inside Douala town. Bad boss, it don't come up for white man country because when white man way close like this man on, when he don't expire, it the iron them, put an inside box. When they see picking for Cameroon, it is say the box for you. When they use fridge, it don't expire. He sell them for picking for Cameroon. They will buy and put an inside container, send them for Cameroon. He come up for Paul, and then they carry and go with them for broken market. When you go buy a fridge, where that fly them they inside that insect, you bring them for house. It can't enter now. Join combi with fly the way they inside house, cockroach, and then they transform. So mommy they cry for Bonabiri for Limbe say bed can key. So we go sit down now. We hear quarter head for side from Mabanda. He go tell we how the thing it is. Contraband, I hear say they so some kind of sick. He don't come and he come na true broken. What you get for talk for the population for Douala? Me we hear.
we don't come up for a meeting where they did teach we about bed bugs, where they don't begin to enter for our country. And then they teach we say that bed bugs them, they follow now old material them where we buy them for white man country, import them from outside. Them don't follow them, come for we. And sometimes that material where they come say broken, where they don't use them already, pack them badly, then that thing them enter inside. And then they carry and bring them for here now. We go buy them now, come like mattress, come just put them for bed, life or they begin sleep. That thing them go come out and then they be small, difficult for say you see them with your eyes. Now until when they don't suck blood so they big before if you see say it don't be some some big insect. So they tell we say when you see them that this thing where you know if you see them because it don't be easy for see, but you go see say you the life of bed something that they bite you know you see them. If they bite you, they don't see them because they only hide inside place. They wait time where you don't sleep for day, they come out now, come bite you. So when you see them, you notify for check for your chief of block, or your chief of block will notify for the quarter head. Then quarter head go seize the deal where you go give order for mayor, say may go down for field. Go down, go see that matter. If they see say not true with experts, they go spray them, they go treat that particular mattress or the particular room where that in them they. And that this thing then they inside bus itself. The buses where they come where with the enter for the worker go, you feel enter for bus, you carry one for the go back with them for your house. Yes. They have just announced to me that they have 2 cases. They don't announce that they get 2 cases for Mambanda, where they don't already signal them for the. And now they go down now for verify very well, say these cases, they come now how. So before I know more details about it, but they say that 2 cases, they don't treat one, they leave another one because the man will be there, you know, be there. And to go that place where they call Brukan, that where they sell that second hand parts, where they carry them for day. You go buy them for day. When you come for your home, wash them, and then you treat them with hot water. If the one way, if you treat them with hot water, if the mattress, dry them very well. Dry them, sute, because that in the day inside. You dry them so that because they don't like sun to feel weaken them or feel make them to come out run. Okay. Thank you.
So now that those who did buy broken, the chassis sometimes they don't free. We decided we come be where they can say Mr. Zino Mbappe. We na picking for side from Kambe Edishidon for inside Yaounde. Me we come on now, we reach now for side for Tico. I don't show when the first time, show second time, at the show now third time. Now those where they live around General Hospital for side for Tico, there's also the cry, say when he season, he don't show his face. And when he could fall against strong, Watako can carry this bridge. And when not go there for them again for come out, can't reach for town. And those where they go for hospital, it go turn for them. And they say there's on this bridge. No, the only problem for now. Say nothing where don't take. Say nothing where don't take. Where they cry. This mayor they come, they cry for he. It last now you man they finish. This one come again. Walk. You know they walk this road. So tell man they finish. This one they come. You man they finish. So they report now the present mayor. Where my chief Mr. Peter. Where now the Lord Mayor for Tico Council say me help them for that site for General Hospital for Tico. Now you were picking the pass for go for school. Now you were they turn back. And now you were mommy they come out for go for farm and those where they travel. They say also the way where they plant it don't rotting. They fear for bury person for this place. Say they be fear for bury person. And the place it don't turn in a dustbin for them. For come they throw away dirty. Council for Tico, this population it get high only for winner. They say council for Tico, they could do better work. So they want send me the Tico council to can do better work for them. When I see the way they plan and not rotting, this kind one motor go pass for them how. Motor not fit try. Even Okada they fear. Even Okada they fear for pass on top. So long now your Tico council. You dey do fine work. Try for move these people and for inside problem. So for Tico subdivision, mayor for Tico council, he don't do fine work. Me when I see the fine work way, mayor for Tico council don't do them. Me will go for Likumba. This one is Likumba. Where we go? And now route for enter inside Likumba market. When I see country people. Now Tico council don't be na this bridge, we don't be na war bridge. And we don't scatter. People will be the fall inside. When people go for market, one turn back, small time they come out inside water. Now when they will cry for mayor. Cry for mayor. After they cry for Chief Mr. So, Peter, say this so, Mr. Peter, you see him? Chief, you see him? He talks to me, no worry. I don't take this chair for council, now for make a me Tico, he face, he shine. Now when don't go call contractor, he say this bridge, he get for be fine. And what can the way we pay? Now when contractor don't see, only the way people will suffer, and the kind of person we don't get contract. Because she misoso na man we get power. And if you play, you tell me with code the point. So the contractor do his work in the proper. All papa them where they sell for inside Likumba market, they overglad now. For what the Tico council, it don't do them for them for fix them this bridge. I for LTN, if you go for that site, Njanka. Man, we don't talk to this so that for go thief my thing. Better than say me, he use na he head. So any occasion he go nag your ball, tap your ball, and then he get the farutage, he take chop with the ngonderi. Say they want those who they thief, say me they stop thief, start to use the head for carry kako for inside Likumba market. So we go meet up with the Njanka. He go tell me whether it is so. How when I feel Njanka, me we eating way he talk.
Ami, Njanka pamoja na stop. Aja live. Amu Goma. Tico council, federal regime, is the best. The president mayor, Mr. Peter Mesoso, they are the best. Thanks to your effort, Likumba town don't get new bridge. Yeah. We thank you. You are fine. Thank you very much. Thank you all. Tico mayor, Mr. Peter Mesoso, they are the best. Thank you.
You see that man so small time, you no go see, where you go see, you no go know again. Time we don't start the tap that ball, they move close, they move trouser, tap ball, we ball never touch for them. So now you don't make them before we get this video. Me go never say where they call and say what Dibuncha. I say yesterday, father is surprised business people have side for Dibuncha for corner the beach. Woman when they refuse fish. Some person depart with petrol alias Zwazwa. For corner fire. Now you will fire net the petrol. Can't see confusion. Mommy then draw the fish. Scatter fish. Any man they only run the camp. Same way for the Buncha, they not get firefighters, motor for that side. They go do well. That's why they carry that and that. That's why they carry my for inside Molonga for take loss. Even not so if I bought that house. Sometimes if I bought even big mommy will be there for inside that house. Nothing that way they ever told me. I said so any place you strong, any place you sell. Try for cash coming with the people them because you don't know what will happen with you. When I get people help. Now here when they will fix fish. Now people that don't run now will come lost the fire. They don't throw away all the fish. Fish you don't turn on mud fish. Where we bring a makiro. When I don't know sir. Where when I Asha import another house. Import another be a fish because If fish, they never scatter them, and then house born when I was sleep outside. So now in that, all them will know what they see, now when they don't use them for take loss the fire. And with the time, the population will work this fine work. Same will not be together. One person will fall, another person they will copy. No mean that one way. One person will sell, he get trouble with all man. Wait there for corner. One person will stay for some place, he get problem with all people. He no fine. No mean so God be create we. No mean so God be create we. One man get 1,009, it cost my way get 25 francs. Now so it be there? No. Me when I begin to live, let Chief Henry Deco, when I chief for Mayview village, he live with all you villagers them together. Me when I take example for Chief Henry Deco for Limbe, Mayview village. So time they don't fire, they say this so business again for continue. Then turn back again, they wash the fish, move a sansan for his skin, wash them for sell them for customer, we get for buy and bring them for Limbe. Or buy and bring them for the wala. Since I water we dey for the wala fish, you know they come up for the plenty. Me we come on and we go for side from Cam. Inside Conjo. They say you come go for Jingang village. Now the village that I say now the village that. Now Jingang village. Inside Conjo. And Conjo then are inside Nkam. And Nkam is there for inside littoral. And littoral is there for Cameroon. Now the village that. Hospital where government don't build them. It don't mean now 10 years. See the condition where the hospital they inside. When I see the hospital where they don't move plenty money take and build them. Chief for Junior village, it don't confuse you. Hospital they the inside bush. And they build them fine. They put one a raptor. Zing, they the waiter, you know they come. They the way zing, you know they come. They the way zing, you know they come. After, now become a big move, say so hospital, the doctor and doctor, even motor, they come. They don't wait doctor, then so take 10 years. No man in over appear. So the hospital don't last, can be the inside bush. Where you don't rotting as you don't rotting. That is why we take money now, we go bury an inside bush. Where you know the hell of no person for no nothing. Now in this. Now hospital, no. I said now long now people but we done for the treat people and for Jinga village. Some village they will not get even clinic. But we carry them go put them for some village. Now that I did ask question. You the devil Cameroon where they don't go book. They don't go school to tire. With their certificate, they don't get where they work. And some are doctors, but they don't get where they go push them. Inside Conjo hospital and they for inside bush, but doctor don't know they. Well, this one na good luck or na bad luck for this country. Some people they say na good luck, some people they say na bad luck. With the bet, when we want be something for some place, me we try for finisher, put people inside. For Cameroon, when they talk we don't give GS, we don't give government school for some place, but they don't follow for bill them. Now still contribute them for that place, they remove that money, bill them, and then pay school fees. The school fees it come for inside back from government. That means say now using. That means say they use population will not be normal. When I give government school for some place, when I go bill and because the school na government school, and the money where could come up for that place, now money where they go for inside the government pocket. When community, they create community work, build the school, after they pay school fees, for say, me they refuse that thing for inside village, they still carry money for school fees, can't get them from government. When community don't build the school, that means a dull man now who? Dull man now you for the village or na government. Maybe after for this countryman when I for ATM for site for Conjo. Countryman, this one na my house, or na palace, or na waiting, and how many years this thing don't be for inside bush? When I hear way I for ATM for Conjo go talk. Oh yeah.
So this one na centre de santé intégré for Njingang since we more than 10 ans. where them don't start this centre de santé intégré, where them don't abandon them. Una see how them don't abandon them. Them don't abandon them, no one man. Since where the man we he be take the market, since we be go, he don't build them. So after he leave them, he go ye. Na you we population with the house. C'est vraiment donc government. Where them don't give that man this market, them don't know place where he dey. Na population for Ndingang it is suffer. Population for Ndokuma it is suffer. Population for Ndumban it is suffer. Population for Ndomalang. For some, them they suffer. And one with them they for Puanga. If this centre de santé, it be big worker. I sure say like a plenty people with them they sick for day, them the first come for year. Before them reanimate them now, before them carry them, go for Bafang, who carry them, go for Douala, who carry them, go for Bafusam. Now you way with the house government. Don't them not know this man with the begin the market? Since we don't shene and when I see he don't start sharpan. After he don't grab you go. He don't leave him so he don't fall. We people from Konjok, we did that so we dey cry, we dey suffer. Forget santé. Now you way we dey for house. For Papa Paul Biya, we own president. Now he the command we. Now he the big doctor for Cameroon. Now he the all thing. Papa Paul Biya, here we cry. Here how you picking them they cry. For the kind of money so them don't come hibam. Where them never finish them. Est-ce que that one he find Papa? Now you way population this also cry. Say patra for talk. Say them can't finish the work. For the can say people them they suffer plenty. Them they suffer plenty with Papa Paul Biya. Now you with them there for Christ say you must try and we government them must find the man will be get the market for make say he finish them. For the say na contribute Cameroonais na money we with the pay ticket with the pay tax. Now you with them don't take them and now them no place where the man dey. That one is the question. Papa Paul Biya try for see one problem from Konjo.
Je connais comme précédé du village Ndinga installé depuis le 15 février passé. Et quelque part dans mon village, là, il y a un centre de santé qui a été construit il y a de cela près de 9 ans. Ce centre, déjà, on l'a élevé jusqu'à ce qu'on a commencé avec la charpente. Mais malheureusement, la charpente est déjà en train de se détériorer. Et vraiment, je voudrais ici que le gouvernement essaye de revoir vraiment si on peut achever ce centre. Parce que ce centre sera la bienvenue, non seulement pour le village, mais pour les villages environnants, en l'occurrence Dokuma, Ndomban, Fukwanga, voire même Sorok qui a un centre de santé. Et vraiment, je ne sais pas.
City chemist yesterday for Baminda. Haya. No one person no pass for city chemist. No one person. Business people on the other side, all them, they be shidong. Different side they see where they pass. Work it to them, they don't come for that side, say they don't discover some bomb. For inside some business man in place. Who don't come put bomb for inside man, inside business man in place? Other people that say they so they know they understand. Say they don't promise the population for Bamina. Say they go put camera for all sides for Bamina. So that when something will happen, even overnight, camera it go show person we don't can do it. Camera today, now how many years? It go now 7 years. That means say if camera, if it fly now fly the bet for one man country, if we don't reach for this side. Now when they talk now say they so no man in no must cross for city chemists until then move the bomb the way enough explode. Also this bomb them they pass. Also they bomb them they pass because they don't talk say they so na Peter don't put them. They don't talk say na Paul don't put them. Population was that side, they don't be confused because they don't know man way, he don't put them. If camera be there, we for no person we don't come plan the bomb. If camera be there, we for no person we don't discover the bomb. But now, people them for Baminda, they for inside dark. They don't know who's that bomb it come out. Because of Cameroon, we don't get company where they fix bomb. If na bomb that means they don't pass inside motor, and for motor they pass that for road, and road that way we get checkpoint and a toll gate. Since that for checkpoint we only concentrate for identity card, we know the check thing with motor, a carry and for backboard and on top carriage. I don't sing I'm the music or the way I put guitar for day before they will hear. I don't know. Me we stop for the ask that identity card, but at the time big man for police, Mbangangele, for the thing we don't decide say they so whether na expiring identity card, no policeman no get for stop you for checkpoint. That one it could that means say they don't move granite for our other time you mop. But they could respect the law because law will come over paper. But for implicit the law now for the way trouble day. We come over that side now, we internal for side fund up. We be don't show them for 2023 it be now number 21 day for March 2023. Wait to them and show this place. When I look at fine. This road for come up Baminda carry fund up. Come up fund up for going for side for Wainama. Before you go in for Jakiri. Before you go in for that side for Squares. Before you go in for Mbamkikai. Before you go in for Tatum. Before you reach for New. Now so the road be cut for this place. When I look I'm fine because to the man you know the lost sense for keep anything. When I see the place, the road don't cut. Once I don't cut, it fall for inside water. I don't sing them for 1 year. We know the sea because we don't blind. And we be Thomas for a year wait till it will happen. Now so I be first show. Now so I be first show country people. When I look the place fine, because I go show you now how I for ATM be go for the yesterday. When I see him, now so I be first show. So for Cameroon, we the only way send me person that inside here. So that me we create commission, go give envelope for the family. Because person where they alive, it not be important. Now envelope be important. Where not be normal. We need population because matter for Northwest and Southwest, it don't make them plenty, don't die. Where we need for protect the population, the rest will they remain. This road don't crack. Where go kill person? When I know the see 'em. I don't carry my broom, I reach with tambourine. For say me when I see her, I go sweep her. The other one see them for front, where they don't get a contractor. Contractor, he says, it the one that they way he like him. That one where they be, I be sure him they go make a plank bridge. When I see him, when I see the place now, okay. François, put we part 2. Voila! Yesterday, correspondent for LTM, Tanto Tanda, USSF, he be there for site for Oko, he come back, say, he must drop on the see this place. Then he says was only for corner. Then he says was only for corner. For common play where they sell, go for play where they wrote, it don't cut, it no far away. We go so the singer until they can't fix them. You the buy that petrol so look road fine. Look for your before because thing where they for your front. You feel let's go end for inside. We do the prayer, say me end inside. Moto the way they come out side for Nkambe, Ndu, Aku, Mwa, where they go pass here, and for side for Noni, for side for Oko, and the people that for side for Saltland, where they pass here, where they see them. This one I think for yesterday. When I look, I'm fine. Now yesterday, video this. When I look the level where it don't crack go reach now. Since that we know 1 year 12, 1 year 13. When I look up. Now so the place there now. Okay, that they come time am. Pass fiam. Motor they come time am. Pass fiam. When I look up. When ATM show them, that means say they must fix them. We know they promise people them now. People that they promise we, and we they know they fulfill their promise. And we don't show them again for 2024. Some more time I will show when they don't start the fix them. And then they wait. They don't know say they so climate change. It don't change the system. Rain will go fall for this year. No, that's small one. And when it go fall now, this place go finish wet now. This road go cut into two. Now that time now where they go start now for the run left and right for fix them and it go cause traffic. When I look and find how it don't go down. If you just miss this place so, or baby camion pass here, they road a more cut. And they never put no nothing for sure say they so one side you know they fine. No nothing, no the way they don't put them. Even for carrying a flower or for pin something, when I see them. When I see them. For pin something for this place. So that motor when a stranger when they come, it no say danger there for front. No nothing, they don't keep them. If you put stone for that place, that means the road is not small. This one na pop danger. Pa, you where you should for side from the for corner this place. How many motor they don't fall for inside here? And how many people don't die? Talk, me we hear.
I feel say before now they don't do these things because year before last I will take the complaint because all will be there for this crisis. You want to fear say you want to talk to do me, you want to talk to stand on hold me and that and that. I go for phone, I follow go see phone. I tell phone say this to collapse. You see how they go do this. Phone get order for quarter. So the quarter they come see what they feel do. It's not there around. So quarter can't look at the fit be above them. Then phone call back. Come out with the same deal for me. The dues become the dues center and the SDU they become here. All the government people. So I take them, I show them the I go opposite
yes, that play, yes, the play was broke, yes.
So the problem is that they will come bill. It surprised me to not have bill. Then I will show alternative road with the full pass. For the room in my house, I will show them. So they do okay for down the road. There's a new road down there. I show number 2 today. So they become the dirty one from my dirty street from my house, go down from that place. But for inside any incident, mud. Worry for down there. So motor they come now, if they're going around, so come up for them. Any big vehicle, you're going around, so come up for the other side. Yes. So now I don't know. So they still come again. I take them go shoot the other road for them for this road for through. It never be possible. Yes. So it don't pass my. It don't pass my power. I got up this road. My government get me. If they happen now, so this road come. If the road cut. We don't be blocked. We don't be. I don't know how we do.
And at the road with the link Banso,
yes,
Bamendan Kambe Banso.
Yes. If you cut now, we don't just finish. So at the big government when they come, if they can see this, they can see it. Because if the heavy motor part on top the half bridge turn also, it will collapse. And from now, when they start now, so it won't be for June. This place will collapse. Now God don't just hold it also. It will collapse. If you see, I plant trees of that place. Now for hold for hold that.
Yes, the ground for there.
Yes, because if you see, we take them come up from that. If you see this, na corner this, they don't come so straight.
They come, yeah, come land for inside the valley.
Not for so plenty time. The man never died today. You see, so that if they go take something for you. I don't go for Diogo complaints and put speak bridge for my door. Where you can't stand there morning, I was cooking at go school. You see the speech for you, you go sorry. And if motor come to me so down for the party, they hold the place.
Thank you, Pa.
They don't talk for that side pond up. We go for side where they come and say for Malantwen. Malantwen, the population they suffer. And Navokona office for company where they give you light. When I look campaign, because when to do my one show, he show them the way you go see them. Now office this for here. We never go even 10 meters. Now cable down for light. Where it go down and it don't cross road. I say now cable for light that where it don't come out for corner office for company where they give you light a cross road. And it don't be for this so for more than 1 month. Then they come for sharp morning time see them. They want the close for gold they see them. And it don't go for people them business people them see for here. They don't cover them. Now with papers. Look like when the office there. Now the office this. We will look at. Now office this. And then see where the cable don't come out. This one a big shame. For this company where they give you light for site for Malantwen, it's not correct at all. Better town than this one Malantwen, but light they hamburg them. If we found a different side, where they get for come over office, go for day. It will be different. But this one way now for more. For the month for office for company where they give light, now big shame. This one na big shame. It's not correct. It's not correct at all. Countryman, now NJANGI, we come back so that we will give line for upside. So with the social back the population, those where they don't pass all that time for talk bad for Toure man since yesterday. When your family brother don't do bad, may we talk saying a bad so that may change. But when we talk they say na some problem. Nothing that way I talk to this. So when it touch you today, tomorrow it could touch another person because that palaver, man we title holder we don't cut cow for side from what yesterday we want show them. People they don't vex for that thing. Only the family people them. Sometimes for go destroy my capital, it be correct for them. Oh, I don't know. So we could see turn back for that matter for Monday. And they talk a matter for cow where they be chapera with collapse, where they be being a cow for Dr. Yauba Sedo, where na big man for medical science, where they now for some site. He watch the program. It be man where we cut the cow. It be being a title man. But for Monday, we will turn back for the report so that we make people understand how the matter be working in the proper because interview for the man a day and talk where the man too, he don't talk for Dr. Yauba Saido a day so that they will put so that family for this countryman, the year wait away, their brother, he don't talk for person, we get the cow. So, we enter now for calling. Are they beg any person? If you see say you don't go respect what we need them, no call you this program. If you know say you don't go off the volume for your TV, no call them. Because people in there plenty where they want call. But when they call, they disturb the program that disturb will not be normal. Hello? Good morning. You don't go. We take another person. Hello, countryman. Good morning.
Morning, Moko.
How are you now, sir?
No, Tom for Fumbot.
Yeah, Mr. Tom for Fumbot.
Yeah, they follow you.
Yes. How are you doing for that side?
No, we said they were fine.
Okay. Now, small time labor they go there. Market go still there for that one a grandstand for Fumbot.
No, yeah. I saw Fumbot they just say whether what you come for the danger.
So what is carry you bring about today as today, Mr. Thomas?
So what can be bring for today as today? Only that road.
Yes, that road fund up.
Yes, that road fund up. You see that road cut down. Say we didn't come, so I don't go over. So far, me government try make something.
Yes.
Yeah, that road way jogging my eye.
Okay.
Yes.
So don't we all man way it watch the program for that side for phone board, eh?
Yeah. Go here.
Salute that Bamon woman where they said fish for your corner and the rest. We go now for side for Boya. NJANGI the cleanest taxi man for side for Boya. Come good for Toure house.
Thank you, Moko. Happy weekend.
Happy.
Yes. I really want to go about that road to say what will you do? You said you talk about road because when road not there, people they don't walk over their various destination them. And so they talk so they follow and they fix them. People don't go road, na highway that's so. No be say na quarter road, na highway. So at the big, even when it is so people that for quarter, when they travel, put in a pound phone for corner, put some rope there for day, so that my way, you don't know him. Me no can for there, put some chin, if possible, put even a ground for pay for frontless street break. So at the time, General Moko, when they make them people Chico, now you go follow up, they go walk all that road them. See the other one be sure I'm the walker. We thank ATM, thank General Moko, God go to bless you for that good work, with that long promo get us. So thank you very much.
Thank you, NJANGI, for that side. Hello? Hello?
Yes, hello?
Good morning, madam. If you follow the instruction, you get for off volume for your TV so that me will talk fine.
Yeah, I don't go far down.
Okay, who the talk and the person they for side?
I'm Gillian at the top floor, I didn't Douala.
Douala for which place?
I live in Bonaberi around Sejopolo.
Yes. Now that we road for come up for right for go reach for side for abattoir. Now that's where you do. What do you get for tell me now?
See where you really enter my eye and that Palava road for go come the
Yes.
that road they so the government really need to do something about them.
Okay.
Because you know, if rain just start, even chop will not get them for you. We'll get say 1 cup being 500.
Well,
when money no first they come around.
Now true way you talk. Money no day.
Money
I'll
no
share for
dey.
you, eh?
Thank you, Pa. Thank
We'll
you.
try to so that me the try for fix that when I road for come up for right go reach for abattoir. We the state way there for side for abattoir. Hello? Good morning.
Morning.
Come out for corner noise. We just correct some person now. As you the can.
I dey talk about that one in Boto, that place is so, they don't cook it. I have to know why they want me to when I don't have to know the that. When I plan me for bush.
Well, we dey salute Mr. Meteran. Meteran we there for that side for Bangante. Meteran, it was we for Bangante. We dey just talk. When I don't see that say for Cameroon, plenty people and they way they're not the year 12 no. We dey talk for person say me come up for corner noise. But someone they call the talk. Even his name we don't know his name. Hello?
Hello, good morning.
Morning, sir.
I call from Ezekam.
Yes, for Ezeka. How for Ezeka?
Ezekam, not Ezeka. Ezekam.
Okay, Ezeka for that side after Kribi.
Yes.
What to be your name, countryman?
My name is Emmanuel Su.
Yes, Emmanuel Su for side for Ezeka. What you get for Tewi?
I want to tell you, say, I bet una, we will live for you. Would you ever contribute for your program? Would you see I'm fine? But it did like say when you know the number, you know if you pick them because all time would you call for contribute because it did like say you don't pass. You know be say it did like you be now the minister for Cameroon because many things the way you show them that you were the worker. So we want call you for the tell you say any work way man they work for the head that got the plenty. So me you not ever tire for work because I know say after the work na stone they go shoot you but stand firm. Now for talk say that roadway they for so if people then they where they know say Cameroon we hold them, they first need for first stand for protect themselves, not the government. If you your brother come for they die, how you go do? When I defeat for sure for you, there is sure for you, so they forget say this roadway they so themselves if you die for the way they don't do. They for post stick. They know that only for broke road, they know that only for strike. No. Me they know how to protect their brother them.
Okay, we don't hear you. There is used now 20 seconds for talk. So you don't fair talk say this so this number say this number it is so when they call them if I don't know the number I don't go pick. Now say the line them be busy. You don't call them today, no they don't pick them. Yes, when the line them be busy, you know feel succeed. Hello? Good morning, sir.
Good morning, man of God.
Yes. Who get the voice and the person then have outside? Now Silas. When I know say Silas, we don't promise we time where we don't come for yaounde. Now 1 year now I don't see Silas. I don't know how would I live for this week yaounde.
Wait, Jeremy, no worry because
we know they ever worry for you. What if we bring you for 2 years?
When you welcome for Pali, you know say you welcome for Pali, you will prepare fire before you come.
Yeah, now so it is.
When you welcome Saloma, we get title like you need to prepare. If I come Saloma MTR, you know go fine.
Well, we get all team for this place.
And they will buy you some watermelon with some purple them say man they put your boy for there.
Now so it is. So what you get for tell Mr. Tom?
I need for two and second for the road the one so.
Yes.
So now when they will pay the payage, this thing we did tax for road we pay 500. That was sicker. that was second for the route.
Yes.
All country will police and money when they collect for also make the come for the route. Because the never say tomorrow general, they come in we pass for every overly or come in overload. They think before. I will go for an accident, but the people die now. Go see commission where they go pay them. When they suppose to come to finish this thing fight. They want to get money for payage, when they come finish this thing.
Okay. We don't hear still as the on talk. What if you on talk with the salute man where they come say adjutant chef. Yes, adjutant chef Gerard when picking for side for Bamili, for inside that side for Northwest, but it is done for inside Yaounde. Hello, countryman. Hello? We take another person we go respect the law. Good morning, sir. When you call with your ear na sound for TV with the of you. Hello? When you gonna go learn, we go to go now. Fine. Hello?
Yeah, hello, good morning.
Morning, how are you, sir?
No, thank God.
Who they call the person then for which part for country?
I'm Kevin, call from Yaounde Chapel Opinion.
Respect 20 seconds. Wait till you get for talk.
I just say, our government is a very bad government.
They say off volume for your TV. Off volume if you deal with family or with your friend. Come on for outside now. I know they understand. You did just talk something for some man now. Different person they follow, they do different thing. Even some now, so some person they again for the next phone, they just doing a total different thing. Why big people for Cameroon they reform also? Small time we will make this program now for Pekin and for nursery school so that me they respect because when you go for nursery school, you teach Pekin how to sing song. Tomorrow we go sing them all. Hello, countryman.
Hello, General.
Yes, good morning, sir.
Daniel from Jikwa.
Yes, Daniel from Jikwa.
Yes.
Now, Kebe.
Yes.
Yes. Talk, we'll hear you 20 seconds. So, Daniel, don't go. Any man will call, we volume there for your corner and nothing succeed for talk. May I take another person with the reason? Hello?
Hello, General Moko.
Good morning, sir. How are you?
Good morning, Mr. Manasseh from village.
Yes, how are you?
I follow your program.
Thank you.
Because they go give the government will lead them. That road where they take control. They ought to control outside. But they look at this road, it means they were cheap. Now what they humble.
Thank you, countryman. I don't salute all man for side for Fongo. We will salute to President, yes, National President for Eshimbi Youth. National President for Eshimbi Youth. We watch the program for side for Bamida and we will salute all the population for Eshimbi. We will for side for Kribi and for Idea and side for Douala. Hello?
Hello, General.
We take another person again. Hello?
Hello, General Moko.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. Now, Shay Alfred, Adepo Kumbo.
Yeah, Shay Alfred, have a combo.
No, Kumbo, they fine.
We don't stay where we know they get tin them for the combo. That means the peace don't come for our side.
You know, peace don't they, peace they.
Yes,
peace
we
they.
thank God, Wait till you get for tell we for side for combo.
No, wait till I get for talking about that road, we the one cut for that side, so.
Yes, that will come up.
You don't be say, we go. We know they do nothing, we go. May big people they from governor, may they try to see into that situation.
Okay.
Because for this country now, it be like saying that this we side so way, it get up for that side, and if that road cut for that side, it will worry all we.
I say, countryman. I say,
yes.
you the corner of which place for combo?
I get from Mbulu.
Okay.
After she's from General Hospital.
Okay, salute all man for that side, eh?
They go, yeah, General. Thank you very much.
Last caller, me will take him. Sometime he go. Hello? Last caller, to don't can be confused, not confused. Sometimes don't drink that matango. Man, no. Yes. Sometimes last caller don't drink matango. Hello? Yeah, how you there, countryman?
No, thank God. How about you too?
Now God they protect all we.
Yes, I want to consider a call from Bamenda. I want to consider that.
Your own name now, who countryman. Follow the system for the program.
Okay. Now me, Kelvin.
Yes.
Yes. Waiting and say that road is where we see and so now government road. Cameroon government need to do anything for protect the citizens them. Why is it when anything happen, people them will cry so deep before government ever do something. Okay, see my cable now you don't fall for front in you. The day for the one as me they do how. Government need to do anything for protect citizens. Now road down, now government road down. They need police, they need stand for the collect money for that road. They want to see me put in job for that road before they come to that road. So they were government a very bad government. Very bad government. I've been so disappointed for that for the kind of thing. That means I want to thank you for your effort where they do them for show the road. Me the worst here. It be very bad. When be say anything happens, anytime people will cry before they do something. It be very bad. Thank you very much.
So campaign small time we go start. Any man we want be mayor for site fund up and parliamentarian, they get for concentrate, fair make community work for that place. So that many people they not can die there. Yes. Although law for Cameroon, they talk say they not get for fixed national road. But this one, it don't reach for level. Hello? Hello? Okay. We salute Malam Saido, where they watch the program for that side for New Bell. And we salute two person where they can say Dr. Magic Tanko. Dr. Magic Tanko, where they for St. Contest. With the family, we salute to Shea Baba, when I picking for that side phone call. They watch the program. Hello? Now them that. And then we salute to Shea Godwin, alias Colonel for side phone call Market Square. You know they miss the program. We salute the commandant for brigade phone call and the do for Noni where it watch the program. The program don't finish. Me man not call again. Yes. When I feel make a man head the hot for you can they say big man you want call this program off the volume for TV. You see some big man so big belly. She don't so with coat, pap, it doing a different thing. When you want video anything for send and for me, hold your Android phone and so. When you hold and so, that means say you don't hold and fine. You video am send them for me, I will show them, you go see them, you go like them. So when I don't see mayor for Tico, I don't be breach. The other mayor them the way they don't run their council, they leave their people and they suffer. Now election they come, wait till you get for can't talk for your people them. No nothing. You go use now waiting for fool them, no nothing. So any mayor where they different side, council they different side, no say time for campaign, it go trump for you. So we salute the mayor for that side for Jakiri, and we salute the assistant mayor them for that side and the council of them where they did for that side where they try to forsake me. All thing worker for that side. We salute to my man when a mayor for that side for Kumbu Council. Yes, mayor for Kumbu Council. You know they miss their program for side we did, and we salute to the mayor for side for Ako Council. You know they miss them too. Either for Front Television, and then we salute the other one then where they know they're safe. For Cameroon, no promise me. I know one say me man promise me again. If you want to give me something just give one time, I don't like promise. Because with the way when they use money, you come general moko this so I go send you something. We no jam no nothing. We get all things. If we feel succeed for the mail program every day, so take for 1 year, that means say we no jam no nothing. I get my own people them, I not get me money. You they live with our money, me I they live with population. If I not be get population, they not go they call this program and they never pass time for shit on for Front Television for watch the program now. Because say NJANGI House now the only program for Cameroon for now. Where any man get for focus for it because it is show and all and then give you chance you talk. So now got a day behind this program. Satan one come now got a co boxy, a co fall left for that side from van. Meanwhile we did for side for A2D. So my way be there for that side they call in they call him Mr. Francois now the match button since and they work it go in the proper. They call me General Moko the under general where they work and I will broom for shape dirty for Cameroon. Bye bye, we don't go.